Greetings. My talk today focuses on the fact that it's my belief that Bitcoin will go between 15 and 20,000 per unit by November of 2018. For Bitcoin Intel review. This is my first post on Bitcoin, so I decided to start it off in one area and, based on the degree of interest, go to a full-blown channel on the subject. So my background is that I've been in investment and investment management for about 30 years. And when I first encountered Bitcoin, I thought it was in general a good idea, but was reticent to really go for it based on a whole bunch of fraud that had been participated in by different entities. At this point, I'm a little bit more warming up to it, especially because of how explosive the growth in the value of Bitcoin has been, particularly recently. I decided to make my first post focused on, at this point, at 6,000 or 7,000, for it to go to between 15 and 20,000 is a tripling of the value in 1 year. And I think this is possible, but even greater might be possible. And the primary reason is that the reason it's currently moving fast is that there's about to become trading availability for the large institutions where they can actually hedge their Bitcoin positions. So I believe this is huge, because I believe if you look around the world, the money available to be traded on Bitcoin right now is about 20% of all of the money that flies around the world, particularly when you look at large institutions that have to preserve the wealth of different folks. Now that we're moving into this being a traded entity, I believe that this changes the course of cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin in particular, because now hedge fund managers and other institutional entities can have ways to insure their positions that they previously did not. So all of a sudden, there's another probably 3, or at least, 3, but possibly 10 times the number of people or amount of money out there potentially that could enter the Bitcoin market. And with those kind of in-the-wings dollars potentially brought into Bitcoin, this is why I believe that Bitcoin could actually triple over the next year. Now, could it double? Absolutely. I think there's a 100% chance it doubles. Does it triple? I think it's about a 50% chance. Quadruple? Possible, but I think someplace in the 10-15% range, because the larger the number, the fewer people that can participate. And as you know, this actually doesn't deter Bitcoin value growth either, because you can actually do fractions of Bitcoin, so it helps address the problem of huge numbers that large people cannot participate in. So Bitcoin has a lot of advantages that set it up to be able to easily make a run at the triple spot, or definitely the double spot, but the triple or quadruple spot is definitely available in 1 year. This is Greg for Bitcoin Intel News. Look forward to your comments. Please let us know if the information was useful.